Hi everybody, it's Wayward Gypsy. I just wanted to hop on really quickly and give you an unbagging and unboxing. I already took this out of the box because it has my address all over it. And well, it was kind of filthy because it's come from overseas, so you never know. But I got my kit for the Homely Houseplants, free stitch along with Stitchonomy. I absolutely adore their stitch-alongs, and so I'm super excited about this one. It comes beautifully packaged like so. Actually, really, I love that sticker. That's so pretty. I'm gonna see if I can keep that, because I think I could use that. Okay, not worried about the tissue paper though. So, this comes beautifully boxed. Alyssa does a really good job, or her crew does a really good job of packaging everything. So it makes it from overseas and you don't have to worry about anything being damaged. So this is an absolutely beautiful vinyl sticker. I like that. I love that everything's on theme. So I got the more expensive box. So it has some little extras and stuff in it. Like one of them is this, I guess it's laser cut wood thread keeper, so you can thread through here and keep your thread organized. Comes with, I guess this is a stylus pen. Interesting. It's really kind of neat. I have never, oh, or is this an eraser? It says removed by friction. That's what that tiny little print says right there. I don't know. I'll have to try that out and see. Okay, I'm too curious. You guys get to see. Of course, I'm doing it on tissue paper, which means, yep, it's an erasable pen. Okay, that is stinking amazing. Love it. Thank you, Alyssa. That's awesome. I'm a pen nerd. It's a thing. Okay, so here is all of the beautiful threads. Oh my gosh, the colors. So this one I'm excited about because the one that they did last year was just beautiful with all these different house plants, some of them flowering, some of them just, you know, greenery sort of house plants. So I'm excited about this. The colors are so pretty. And I love that they are all pre-measured and pre-cut into specific length to make them easier to work with. So look at the colors. Those are so pretty. And she uses all premium thread. I think it's all DMC. It's all really great quality. So there are two charms on here. You can see there's this beautiful gold leaf. And then this looks like maybe like a sunburst. I don't know, pretty. And it always comes with a needle whenever you get the kits. I actually really like the needles that she sends. They're better quality than the ones I get from Michael's. Comes with the perfect size piece of fabric. And this one is just basic white. So, and it's Aida cloth. Really nice piece of Aida cloth. And then for this one, we got a custom made needle minder, which could also be used as a cover minder, but I will definitely use this while I'm working on this project. This is really nice. And it's actual metal. It looks like enameled metal. Really pretty. I'm so excited. I can't wait until we actually get to start on it. I am actually a member of her pattern club, so I will get that info sooner than the people who are participating for free. It is a free stitch along. Anybody can join. You just have to go to Stitchonomy. So she does have a Facebook group, as you can see right here, facebook.com/stitchonomysal, or you can go sign up at thepatternclub.com, or if you want to participate for free, it's there at stitch-along.com. And her website, her patterns are always really nice and clear. I love her patterns. So there's that one. I'm going to rewrap this in a moment. And the other package I got was my knit crate, which is no longer in a crate. It's no longer a box, even though it's a subscription box. But they've gone eco-friendly with this packaging, and I actually really appreciate that because I'm constantly breaking down boxes. So it's really nice that I don't have to deal with that anymore. And it's better for the environment. So this is a yarn and knitting or crochet subscription. Okay. So they always send a really great card, and I'm going to go through that and see this month's theme was supposed to be unwind, or is unwind. That's right. So the February yarn didn't arrive in time, so our February yarn will be our March yarn now. So they moved the March to the February theme. So February was unwind. And because of COVID and all of the shipping problems, some of the yarns have been delayed, but they already had the March ones, so that's why they switched it out. As you can see, you can download the month's issue. So instead of them sending you a magazine, now they just send you this card, which is really nice. And there are free patterns available. So this month's yarn is the Audine Wool in Calm. So I'll give you a little bit more info. It's 80 wool, 10% silk, 10% mohair, DK weight. This stuff is ridiculously soft. Oh my gosh. See, I don't wear grays, but I'm going to have to make a gift for somebody out of this, or do something for my house because my living room is in shades of gray and teal. Oh, so pretty. Okay, and you get 2 matching skeins in that colorway. It's almost like a little bit heathered. I really like that. And then, oh my gosh, how stinking cute. It's a little heart. All you need is yarn. True story, except then I also need diamond paintings and cross-stitching stuff and resin stuff. But this I can keep next to my desk to use for everything close by. I love that it's one of the retractables. Those just always, they're fun to play with, and B, they're very useful to have around. So that is the knit crate for February, which I actually received yesterday. So that's all I have to unbox today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.